Mark, good morning. Time to wake up. We leave for the airport soon.
Oh yes, our trip. I packed my suitcase last night, but I feel nervous.
It's okay. I'll help you. First, check your passport. Do you have it?
Passport? The blue book with my photo? Yes, in my jacket pocket.
Good. And boarding pass? The paper with flight number and seat?
I have it on my phone. Is that okay?
Yes, perfect. Now, open your suitcase. Show me what you packed.
Okay, 2 t-shirts, 1 sweater, and jeans. Also socks and underwear.
Great. Did you pack shoes?
1 pair of walking shoes, comfortable for sightseeing.
Smart. Any toiletries? Toothbrush, toothpaste?
Yes, toothbrush, toothpaste, and shampoo. Big bottle of shampoo.
Oh, important rule. At airport security, liquids must be small. Only bottles under 100 milliliters.
100 milliliters? What is that?
Small size. Like a little juice box. Big shampoo must go in checked suitcase, not in handbag.
I see. So this big shampoo in suitcase. Small toothpaste okay?
Yes, small tube is fine. Put all small liquids in one clear plastic bag. Easy to show at security.
Clear bag. Got it. What about medicine? I have pills for headaches.
Keep medicine in your handbag. Good idea. Always have it with you.
And phone charger?
Yes, in handbag. You need it on the plane. Also, book or tablet for entertainment.
I brought my tablet. And earphones.
Perfect. Snacks? Long flight might make you hungry.
I packed biscuits, sealed in a box.
Good choice. No fresh fruit or sandwiches. Security might not allow. Biscuits are safe.
Water bottle?
Empty bottle only. Fill it after security. No full bottles through security.
Why?
Safety rule. But many airports have free water fountains after security. You'll see.
Okay, empty bottle. What about money?
I have Korean money already, but keep some dollars for taxi or tips. Small bills are best.
How much cash?
$20 for taxi to hotel. Rest on credit card. Do you have your credit card?
Yes, with my passport.
Good. Now, suitcase weight. Lift it. Is it heavy?
A little heavy.
Airport allows 23 kilograms for free. Too heavy, we pay extra money. Remove 1 pair of shoes?
I packed extra shoes. Maybe leave them home.
Yes. Keep only what you need. Less weight, less stress. Ready to go? Taxi comes in 10 minutes.
Yes. I lock the door. Keys in pocket. Passport and phone safe.
Remember, slow and steady. No rushing. Airports are busy, but we have time.
Taxi is here. Good morning, driver.
Good morning. Airport, please. Terminal 2, Korean Air.
No problem, 20 minutes. Traffic is light today.
Jessica, why 3 hours early for flight?
Many steps at airport. Check-in, security, finding gate. Better early than late. Missing flight is expensive.
Expensive?
Yes, new ticket costs much money. So we wait calmly at gate. Read book, drink coffee.
Coffee at airport?
Yes, but prices are high. Maybe drink at home first. I made tea this morning.
I drank tea, but I like airport coffee smell.
Me too. But we can buy 1 small coffee after security. Treat for waiting.
What is security?
Safety check. They look inside bags with X-ray machine. People walk through metal detector.
Metal detector? Like at school?
Yes! Take off jacket, belt, shoes. Put in plastic trays. Also phone, keys, coins.
Shoes off? Every time?
Only at security area. Wear easy shoes. Slip-ons, no laces. Saves time.
I wore slip-on shoes. Good?
Very good. Also, take laptop out of bag. It needs separate tray.
My tablet too?
Yes, all electronics larger than phone. Put them in trays alone.
After security, where to?
Find your gate number. Big screens show flight info. Gate is where plane waits.
How to find gate?
Follow signs. Airports have many signs. Gates A1, A10. Gates B1, B20. Our gate is B15.
B15, I remember. What if gate changes?
Listen for announcements, or check screens every 20 minutes. Staff can help too. Just ask, where is gate B15?
Staff wear uniforms?
Yes, airline workers or information desk staff. They are friendly. Don't be shy to ask.
Okay, I practice. Excuse me, where is gate B15?
Perfect. Say please and thank you. People help more with polite words.
Please and thank you. Always.
Look, airport sign. We're here.
So big. Many cars, many people.
Yes, busy place. Driver, stop here, please. How much?
$25. Thank you.
Here, driver. Thank you.
Now, follow departure signs. Upstairs for check-in.
So many directions.
Don't worry, I lead. See blue signs? Korean Air this way.
Ah, Korean air counter. Long line.
Okay, wait patiently. Check your documents again. Passport and boarding pass ready.
Ready. Why do they take suitcase here?
This is check-in. They weigh suitcase, attach tag, give you receipt. Suitcase goes under plane. You get it in Seoul.
Receipt? Important?
Yes, keep it safe. If suitcase lost, receipt helps find it. Put in wallet with passport.
Wallet, passport, receipt. All together.
Passport and ticket, please.
Here you go. One suitcase to check.
22 kilos. Underweight limit. Good. Gate B15. Boarding at 10:15 a.m. Receipt for luggage.
Thank you.
That was easy.
Now security. Follow signs. Empty pockets first. Phone, keys, coins in tray.
Shoes off, too?
Yes, slip-ons in tray. Jacket and belt, too. Laptop and tablet in separate tray. Clear liquids bag on top.
Like this?
Perfect. Walk through metal gate slowly. Arms up if alarm sounds. Normal.
Alarm not sound. Easy.
Great. Now collect trays. Put shoes on. Fill water bottle at fountain. Free water here.
Cold water. Good.
Now find gate B15. Signs say gates B1, B24, left.
So many shops. Coffee shop, bookstore.
Want coffee? We have time.
Yes, please. Small coffee.
2 small coffees, please.
$12.
Expensive. But coffee smells good.
Airport prices high, but we treat ourselves. Sit here near gate.
Gate B15 sign. People waiting.
Yes, we wait too. Read your book?
Maybe later. Look at plane outside. Big silver bird.
That's ours. Korean Air. Safe and comfortable.
How long flight?
3 hours. Short flight. Watch movie, sleep, or talk.
Earphones for tablet. What about food on plane?
Free snacks and drinks. Water, juice, coffee, maybe small sandwich.
No need biscuits then?
Keep biscuits for later. May be hungry after landing.
Landing? When plane touches ground.
Yes. Sometimes bumpy, like car on rough road. Normal. Not scary.
I feel excited now, not nervous.
Good. Travel is adventure. New places, new foods. Seoul has beautiful mountains.
I read about palaces, old kings' houses.
Yes. Gyeongbokgung Palace. Colorful roofs. We take photos.
Photos with phone, but phone battery?
Keep power bank in handbag. Charge on plane. Many seats have USB ports.
USB ports?
Small holes to plug in charger. Near seat pocket.
Seat pocket? Under tray table?
Yes. For magazine, air sickness bag, or your book.
Air sickness bag?
For motion sickness. If you feel sick, use it. But most people fine. Look out window. Distracts you.
I watch clouds, like cotton candy.
Yes, clouds are soft and white. Flying is peaceful.
What time now?
9:45 a.m. Boarding starts at 10:15. Listen for announcement.
People speaking many languages.
Airports are global. Everyone travels. Kindness is universal language. Smile, help with luggage. Small acts matter.
Like at home. Cookie day with Mrs. Lee.
Exactly. Travel connects us. Same hearts, different places.
Flight KE007 to Seoul, now boarding at gate B15. Priority passengers first.
Priority means families with small children, elderly, or business class. We wait.
Business class?
More expensive seats, extra legroom, better food. We fly economy, cozy and cheap.
Now boarding all passengers for flight KE007.
Our turn. Passport and boarding pass ready.
Passports, please.
Here.
Thank you. Seat 15A and 15B. Window and aisle.
Window for me?
Yes, you have window. I take aisle. Easier for bathroom breaks.
Bathroom on plane?
Yes, at back of cabin. Small but clean. Knock before entering.
Knock? Like door?
Yes, wait if light says occupied. Green light means free.
Green light, good.
Boarding bridge now. Mind your step. Floor moves slightly.
Like walking on ship.
Yes, cabin crew will greet us. Say hello.
Hello. Welcome aboard. Overhead bins for big bags. Small bags under seat.
Thank you.
Bin is full?
Try next bin. Or ask crew. They help find space. Never force it.
Found space. Seat 15A. Small space for legs.
Economy seats, cozy. Recline seat after takeoff. Ask neighbor first. Is it okay to recline?
Recline means lean back?
Yes. Be polite. Share armrests too. Middle seat has both armrests.
I have window. Good view.
Yes, take photos of clouds, but no flash.
Why no flash?
Disturbs pilots. Safety rule. Also, no photos during takeoff or landing.
Take off soon?
Soon. Fasten seatbelt low on hips. Tight but comfortable.
Like car seat belt?
Yes. Keep fastened when seated. Light will turn off after takeoff.
Welcome to Korean Air. Please ensure seats upright, tray tables closed, window shades open.
Why open shades?
Safety. Crew checks outside. Also helps ears with pressure change. Chew gum now. Ears might pop.
Chewing gum ready.
Engine sound starts.
Take off. Hold armrest if nervous. Feet flat on floor.
Plane moves fast. Lifts up. Earth getting small.
Beautiful, right? Breathe. Adventure begins.
Thank you, Jessica, for teaching me travel words. For patience.
My pleasure. Friends help friends. Now relax. Movie time or sleep?
Sleep. Wake me for landing?
Of course. Sweet dreams, Mark.
Sweet dreams. Next time, Seoul cookies?
Yes. Blueberry cookies in Seoul. Sleep now.